Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. So first, open your Instagram account, tap on the plus icon in the center, and then you'll be able to find your four options. We have post, story, reel, and live. Now tap on that live option, and then on the right side you can see this option for you to write a title. So you can add a title of your live, and then maybe, for example, like this one, any title that you wish to write, and make sure this is catchy for your followers to watch your live or to join your live. And once you're done, just tap add title, and then you can also see this another option, that I option, where you can choose who will be your audience, public, or you can just practice by yourself or invite others to practice with you, and then set that. And also you can also have a schedule when your live video will start, or when you want to publish it if you want to add. And then if you're ready, just tap on the center, that button, and then you will be able to be notified that you are now live, and your followers will be notified that you are live or you're having a live video. And you also can see that live button. It means that you are really on. Now if you want to end your broadcast, you can just tap on this X button next to the live word, and then you can just click end now to formally end your live video or broadcast. Then you can also share it with your friends on your timeline. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.